Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Today we are going to do Numerical Part 1, Chapter Motion, Class 9.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
The numerical says, Manan, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 40 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 50 km per hour. What is the average speed for Manan's trip? So now students, whatever is given in the numerical, there we have to give more emphasis. What is given, what is hidden in the numerical, which we have to see and then implement in the numerical. Okay, now let us see. Now, after reading the numerical, we will frame some rough thing over here as shown on the screen. That is, Manan from home, he is going to school and coming back again from school to home. And now when he went from home to his school, his speed was 40 km per hour. But while returning back from school to home, he was having a speed of 50 km per hour because there was less traffic while coming back. So we are seeing over here two speed, and in the numerical students, it is also written that on his return trip along the same route. Along the same route indicates that the distance is same. But in the numerical, they have not given the distance, but indirectly we have come to know that distance is same while going from home to school and from school to home. So that means what we will do, if we know the distance is same, so we will consider from ourselves, that is the x distance, and over here also x distance. Clear, children? And the speed is S1 over here for this route, that is from home to school. And S2 is the speed that is coming back to home, that is from school to home. So this much we have gathered the information from the numerical. Okay. Now what we have to do it, they have told us, that is, what is the average speed for Manan's trip? Okay, we also know the formula also of average speed, that is total distance over total time, correct? Okay, now for this S1 speed, we can write over here for this, that is from home to school, whatever information we are having, we will write it over here. S1 is 40 km per hour, right? D1, that is distance, is equal to x, written. T1, that only we have to find out. Okay, we will wait for this. Let us see for S2 distance. Speed, that is, S2 is 50 km per hour. What is D2? D2 is also again distance, okay. And T2 again we have to find out over here. Now, knowing the formula, we have also seen that this average speed when we have to take out, that we will see the total distance over total time taken. Yes or no? So that means D1 plus D2 over T1 plus T2. In this formula, we have come to know D1 and D2, that is x plus x, that is d1 plus d2. For t1 and t2, of course, we have to take out t1 and t2, that we are going to solve it in few seconds. Okay. Now, S1, that is speed, we know distance over time. So for S1, what we will do? We will frame out the formula, that is S1 is equal to D1 upon T1. We have taken 1, 1, 1. That means for this route, that is from home to school. So we have given the abbreviation as S1, S2. So hence D1, T1. Yes or no? Okay. S1 is equal to D1 upon T1. What is S1? 40 kilometer. Quote the value, children. 40. What is D1? X. Quote the value, children. X upon T1. We have to find out. Cross multiply. 40 T1 is equal to X. Hence T1 is equal to X upon 40. What? R. So that means we have to also write, we should know the units also, that is x upon 40 r. Okay. Same way we will do it for S2. That is the speed. S2, that is distance upon time. That is S2 is equal to D2 upon T2. Quote the value 50. That is over here. I have written 50. X, because it is X distance for this route also from school to home. So X upon T2. Cross multiply. 50 T2 is equal to X. Therefore, T2 is equal to X upon 50 R. This you have understood, students. So, after calculating the value for T1 and T2, now what is our next step? Everything is there very clear that we have to quote the values of T1 and T2 where? Over here. And D1, D2, we know it already. That is x plus x upon T1 value from here we will quote, and T2 value we will quote it from here. So these two values will go over here. So now let us put the values. Okay. Now we have put the value, that is average speed is equal to D1 plus D2 upon T1 plus T2. So D1 distance and distance. So x plus x upon T1, T2 we have taken out. We have quoted the value over here. Okay. Solve further, children. X plus x upon, quote the value, that is x upon 40 plus x upon 50. So 2x upon, now simplify again, children. You can take out the LCM, or the way I have done it, you can take any method. So I've taken this method, that is 40 into 50, and then 50x plus 40x. Solve further. 2x upon 90x upon 2000. Keep on multiplying, solving it, and then this will go up. So 2x into 2000 upon 90x, x cancelled, 0 cancelled. So what is left, children? That is 400 upon 9. I have calculated further, simplified further. So I get 44.4 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer for this numerical. It is pretty long numerical, but if you understand the concept, children, you can do it very, very soon. You can write down the formula, you can understand the demand of the numerical, and hence you can go through and simplify and then get the solution. Finally, the answer is there in your hand. So step by step, solving the numerical is important, and hence step by step marks will be given to you also by your teacher, and hence the full marks are in your hands, children. So with this numerical, I wind up the session. Bye-bye. God bless. Take care.